Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Rafid. Today my topic is about the geographical features of Russia. So please like, subscribe and share my video and channel. Number 1, location. Russia is located in the far north. It is a North Pole country and is located in both Europe and Asia. Number 2, mountains. The Ural Mountains are the natural border between Asia and Europe. These mountains are rich in minerals and metals. The Caucasus Mountains are located from Azerbaijan to Europe and has the tallest peak in Russia and Europe, Mount Elbrus. Number 3, rivers. There are many rivers in Russia, but the largest and most important river is Volga River. It is the largest river in Europe. Its lake is called Lake Ladoga. There are many lakes in Russia too. 20% of unfrozen water in Earth is in Lake Baikal, south of Siberia. Caspian Sea's north is bordered by Russia too. Number 4, plains. East European or Russian plain is one of the largest plains on earth. Most of the Russian cities like Moscow and St. Petersburg are located here and most of Europe is located on it too. Number 5, plateaus. Russia has one major plateau, Central Siberian Plateau. It is rich in gas and minerals. Another plateau is the Lena Plateau. Number 6, steppes. Steppes are very useful in farming. They contain the black fertile soil in Russia which have helped its history too and are in the Eurasian steppes. Number 7, natural vegetation. Russia has natural vegetation. Number 1, tundra. The word tundra comes from Finland meaning treeless. Tundra vegetation is sparse, containing mosses and lichens. There are no trees. It is extremely cold and is in north of Russia or Siberia. Plants are small to keep moisture requirement low. They grow close to the ground to shelter from the strong winds. They have short life cycles, growing rapidly in summer months. Dark colored stems and leaves covered with a dense mat of hair help to absorb sunlight for warmth. Small leaves reduce moisture requirement. The vegetation has the ability to carry out photosynthesis at low temperatures and low light intensity. Number 2, taiga or coniferous forest. These cover most eastern and central Russia. There are many trees which are evergreen. Typical species of plants trees are fir, pine and spruce. They have a conical shape to allow the snow to slide off easily. The branches are strong but supple so that they do not break under the weight of the snow. The trees have resinous, thick and sticky-like substance bark to protect the trees from the bitter cold in winter. A single species dominates an area. For example, fir in one, spruce in one and pine in one. The leaves are small, needle-like and waxy to prevent loss of moisture through transpiration during winter. The trees do not shed their leaves and they are evergreen as they reduce loss of moisture by having small needle-like leaves. Number 3, temperate grassland or the steppes. The most important in Russia. These have black fertile soil and are in Western Europe, Russia. Temperate grasslands are very important. They are in many areas of the world. They are known as prairies in North America, pampas in South America, veld in Africa, and steppes in Northern Europe. These areas are very hot in summer and very cold in winter. The annual rainfall is between 200 and 1000 millimeters and strong winds are common. Grasses grow continuously and trees and shrubs are absent. Temperate grasslands dominate most of the southern Russia. The grasses in the temperate grassland are short. This is the result of the lower amount of rainfall received. The vegetation in temperate grassland is grass. Trees and shrubs are rare due to the low amount of rainfall. The height of the grasses varies with the amount of moisture available. The grasses grow close to the ground due to the cold and strong winds. The roots are deep to the tap groundwater. The roots are massive to help anchor them to the soil. Number 8, climate. The climate of Russia is in two types, polar and cool temperate. North is covered with polar climate which includes Siberia too, which is below 10 degrees centigrade. Rainfall is 250 to 400 milliliters. Most Russia is cool temperate in the south. Russia's climates are also important in their history. For example, when Napoleon conquered Russia, the winter set in the western part of Russia, which made it impossible for him to go and conquer it. What is polar climate? The polar climate is found from the Arctic Circle to the North Pole and from the Antarctic Circle to the South Pole. Temperatures are low throughout the year. Summers are short and winters are long and bitterly cold. Winter temperatures can be as low as minus 20 degrees centigrade. The annual temperature range is large, usually over 40 degrees centigrade, the largest temperature range for any climatic type. Precipitation is in the form of snow between 250 and 400 millimeters annually. Also, that the cool temperate climate is also important in Russia. This type of climate is restricted to areas in the northern hemisphere where a large percentage of the land mass on Earth is found. Average summer temperature is between 15 degrees centigrade and 25 degrees centigrade in cool temperate climate. Winter temperatures frequently fall below freezing point. Precipitation in summer is mainly convectional rain brought on by the summer heat. Snow falls in winter when the air temperature falls below freezing point. So this was our topic. Please like, subscribe and share this video and channel.